Hello, how you doing? IELTS is an international English language test system. It is one of the examinations that test potential English language speaking foreign countries immigrants on their proficiency and competence in the usage of English language. The test is divided into 4 modules. We have the modules that border on the receptive communication skills, and we have all the modules border on the expressive communication skills. When we say receptive communication skills, what do we mean? Receptive communication skills are the communication skills we use to acquire information, to gather information. So receptive communication skill is listening. When you listen, you're gathering information, message. You're trying to encode through speech or through words, spoken words. And we have the reading. Reading is another receptive communication skills. Is another receptive communication skill. It borders on symbol. You're trying to get information. And we have those ones that border on expressive communication skill. Expressive communication skills are the communication skills we use to express our thoughts. If we have any message we want to pass across. So we use the expressive communication skills, such as writing. When you write, you tell us what is in your mind. When you speak, you tell us what is in your mind. So we have speaking borders on speech, while writing borders on symbol. So these are the 4 modules you're going to be examined, you're going to be tested on as IELTS is concerned. At DEE Tutors, we help our students to be proficient and competent in the usage of English language. We teach you the strategies, the result-oriented strategies of passing the examination seamlessly. We have one-on-one assessment on what we have taught you. We have classes during the week. We have classes during the weekend. We also have classes online and physically at the center. You can be taught privately, you can be taught in group. It depends on what you want. You can reach out to us for further details. You can join our classes. Let's help you to make that dream of traveling out of this country a reality. Thank you.